unaona. So be very careful
with what,
with the people who interact with your kids.
But
even
as you say
there.
that, do you know the statistics? And I'm sorry for interrupting you. The statistics of people who abuse, and especially children, they're not people that are unknown to children.
They are known.
They're just family.
95% is this person is either a family member, or
A neighbor,
friend, or a neighbor.
Yeah.
Ni mtu wa karibu.
And that's why I say, be very careful with the people who come into contact with your kids.
You see why I'm disagreeing with that one kidogo. You cannot be careful about everybody.
You can.
You cannot.
But
bro.
you can equip your kid.
Bro, this is that game you have to win 100 pass.
You cannot.
Skizeni.
No, but Baiko, you can equip your kid to be able to
Zile zenye wewe sikia zile.
No, to be able to realize when, because I'm telling you Baiko, no abuse, hakuna abuse in starting from ati. And especially when it's people that know each other. Hakuna abuse in there is grooming that starts. So teach your kid to be able to identify
the patterns of grooming.
To the point that they are able to identify that and report even before that happens.
Exactly. Hapo ndo nilikuwa naenda. You cannot be careful about all the people that are around your kid. Because
but you can empower your kid
exactly, to be able to identify signs za umsesi afai kwa environment.
Yeah.
For example, sai tuko hapa. Kuna watu hoi. Something happens. I'm very sure mtu yako equipped kusema, "Hey, we, niaje. Best yako alikuwa ananifanyia hivi na hivi ama ananiambia nifanyie hivi na hivi." But if it is coming from a place of fear, most of the time children don't report when they are afraid.
Yeah, true.
Children only report to you when kuna kitu inaitwa mutual respect. In the sense that I will tell you something and you will not react to it like a fool.
Or victimize me, or try and judge me.
Exactly. Let me give you a story. I'm going to pigia say your story baadaye. Baadaye. Alia. Anza kuenda into the future. Mimi nimekole mtoi wangu. Alafu tulikuwa tumeongea fiti alafu wakaanza kunionyesha akona sasa anaenda 4 years. Akaanza kunionyesha kwenye alikuwa I think alikuwa amechomwa na jua, alikuwa Coast. Naona mtu yeye ana feel like weird, embarrassed, like bro mbona mnafanya kitu saa hii ni saa ya kuongea. And I happened to notice it and say it. Mtu hii hana means ya kujua vitu zingine kama kukua embarrassed. But he understood exactly what I am saying because that yeye mwenyewe alianza kucheka. In a sense of saying exactly bana. Sasa ni saa ya kubonga. The only time that comes out is when there is respect pande ya families. In the sense that unaona Phantom ameleta point moja mzuri sana. Sisi tulilelewa time ya fear. In fact sisi tulikuwa tunaambiwa children are not to be seen
or heard.